Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Welcome to Winter Wonder Week. I sure hope you're enjoying Winter Wonder Week so far. It is now 7 o'clock in the morning here in Amsterdam, and I wanted to focus this day of Winter Wonder Week on a fun challenge that I've had in mind for forever. Back in the old YouTube days, there were a lot of videos called What's in My Bag. It gave a little peek into what people were carrying in their bags. And now I've always loved that concept, but I don't think I've actually ever done a video like that. And that inspired me, I was scrolling down the good old golden days of the tube, and I started to wonder, what are people carrying makeup-wise in their bags nowadays? And how far would I be able to complete my makeup if I asked people on the street for their makeup? I am challenging myself to do a full face of makeup using the makeup that people have in their bags on the streets. But not on these Dutch streets, but on some other streets. Hello guys, hi. Welcome to London. There's people in my shot. Welcome to London. Okay, so we're here because I have a really fun challenge in mind. London is one of my favorite cities in the world, and we're gonna be walking the streets and asking women and men to borrow their makeup to do my full face. Full face using borrowed makeup on the streets of London. This is gonna hurt. So during this challenge where I do my full face using borrowed makeup, I have a couple of rules. When I meet someone, I can only use one product. So I can't be like, oh, you got concealer, you got eyeliner, you got a whole shebang. Don't worry, you got eyeliner? I have nothing on me right now. No brush, no concealer, no powder, no mirror. My faith, my destiny is in the hands of the British. Do you want to be part of my challenge? We're filming a challenge today.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Do you by chance have any makeup on you?
I do.
Okay, so the rules are, I'm doing my full face using borrowed makeup.
Okay.
But I can only use one of your products.
Which one do you want? I have.
Oh my God, the third. Oh! So I'm contemplating now if I should.
Oh, I have this.
He has a freaking primer in his bag. Oh my God, it's breezy, it's cold. Oh my God, it's windy. Okay, you gotta work fast. I believe I can prime. I believe I can prime the sky. All right, that's it. Thank you. I see some lovely ladies over here. Hello. My question to you guys is, do you have any makeup with you?
We do.
You do?
Basics,
Good, because I just primed. That's the good stuff. Okay, I see concealer. NW25. I am an NW15. Do you have a mirror with you?
No, I have my phone.
Will you be able to guide me through it? Okay, let's conceal. Okay, so I brought a little bit of alcohol with me to sanitize. Just, guide me through this. I'm looking up. I'm tapping in. That is way too dark.
Yeah, it's way too dark.
I can feel it by the bounce of my finger. Should I just do this to my entire face? For in case I don't run into anyone with foundation. Would you say do it on your entire face or no?
Go for it.
We're going for it. We're blending. Oh, thank you, girls.
Thank you.
Thank you for saving my skin today. I love you guys so much. Okay. Hello, gorgeous lady. Hello. Are you carrying any makeup with you?
Are you Nikki?
Yes. Are you carrying any makeup, like a powder?
I have a lipstick.
Just a lipstick? Yeah. I still love you though. Thank
Oh
you
my
so much. We're looking for, ideally, would now be like actual concealer or powder. Do you guys have any makeup on you?
I do, actually.
What? What is it? You said concealer?
Yeah.
Are you gonna...
I've got this concealer, and then I've also got another one.
Oh yes, honey. Oh yes. Oh my God, the sideburns. Oh my God. I look like a hot Cheeto. I feel like all I've been doing today is patting my products with my ring finger. Okay.
White apron.
Hi. 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 Hello. Hi. Hi.
Oh my God.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
That's not like you know what that is,
Oh
right?
my God.
Please tell me that you're carrying powder on you.
I don't.
I mean,
You got bronzer? Do you have a brush? Yeah, that works for me.
My makeup.
We are bronzing because I wasn't, tan enough already with that NW25. Is that your mom?
Yeah.
Mom's like, who the hell is this girl? I am the most tan I have ever been in my life. You're a savior. Of course.
Oh my God.
Of course. Girl, I don't know what is happening over here, but it is beautiful.
With me.
What? You have it with
I
you?
have
You did makeup shopping?
No, do you know what's so funny?
Oh, where are you from, darling?
Where am I from?
Yeah.
From London, just outside of London.
Is this like a typical London accent?
Yeah, it is actually.
Can you teach me some?
Yeah, what should we say?
Like, how do I say like a typical London girl?
If you answer the phone, you say, hi, you alright?
Hi, you alright?
That's really good. And then you go, yeah, I'm good, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good, you alright?
You'll be quite excited with a few of my things. It's so random. I'm literally going to meet my friend, but look. Things you love. Look.
Yes.
Look.
Yes! Oh, we got a brow. We're flicking through. Do you want to do the other one?
Oh,
You got
I
it.
can't put your makeup on.
Oh, girl.
I'm scared. Now you're going to have my big fluff in your arm as well.
I love a big fluff in my
It's
face.
nice.
Do people tell you like all the time how freaking beautiful you are?
Oh, you're so cute. No.
What's your name?
Melissa.
Melissa.
Yeah.
Got it. I was like, Blizza?
It's because I speak so quickly. It's an English.
No, darling, you're right.
Yeah.
Can you just do a voiceover for my videos? Give it a go. You're my type on paper. Oh my God, stop. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. What's your name?
Joel, and yours?
Hi, I'm Nikki. Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you, darling.
Are you carrying any setting powder on you?
Yes, I've got NC15 or Shivering White. What would you like?
NC15.
Let's grab it for
That's
you,
my
darling.
color. What are you off to?
Mac Carnaby, actually.
You work at Mac?
I have just started working for them as a Christmas temp, and it's Viva Grand Day today, so...
Stop, really? Congratulations.
Thank you.
People in the comments are going to be like, this was planned. What are you wearing? I love
What on? My eyes?
Yeah.
It's actually just one of the MAC liquid lips.
It's so cool.
Thank you.
You are a savior.
You're amazing,
Thank
Nikki.
you so
Mwah.
much.
Mwah.
Thank you so much. Is that brow stuff I see? And a little brush? So I'm interested in this. Do you mind me just going in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit down here. And what's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly? So what brings you to London? Do you live here?
Yes.
Yes?
I go university there.
My philosophy is, what if I put this on the... It's a pencil! Do you have a mirror on you? What about a phone?
Yes.
Do you mind?
No, I don't mind.
Oh, she's got a pencil. This girl is saving
Can you see
lives.
through that?
Okay, here we go. Brows. Oh, that's difficult. Okay, we're gonna be here for a while. Brows are the hardest thing to do,
They are.
especially through a camera. How does that look?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now the next organic step would be eye primer. We're never finding that. So after eye primer would be shadows or liner or mascara. No, not mascara. We did bronzer already. So all that is left is eyes, highlighter, and lips. And so much more. I don't feel like we're doing that bad. Come on. Oh. Oh my God, she's crazy. So we are at Piccadilly Circus. All right, so we're at Piccadilly Circus and we're on a quest for shadows, liner, lips, highlighter. Oh my God, I smell food. Hi. Hello. Hi, can I ask you a question? Are you carrying any makeup with you? No. Are you carrying any makeup with you? No. Did you pack any makeup? No makeup? Why do I feel like that street was so magical and then now it's like, nope, nobody left. What if we don't find anyone? anymore. I'm doing a challenge where I have to do my full face using borrowed makeup.
Oh my god, I've got mascara.
You have it with you?
Yeah, I've got it with me.
Okay, here we go.
I've got oily eyelids, so I need to use that because
It's so good, right? So, what I need now is eyeshadow. If we're in the mood, if we can find someone, eyeliner, highlighter, and lips. For easy stuff. Girl, yes. Give us the looks. Hi, I'm Nikki. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Hi.
to meet you.
What's your name?
Miriam.
You are stunning. Oh my God. So I'm doing a makeup challenge. You seem like a makeup lover to me.
Yeah.
And are you carrying anything with you?
I'm carrying all my makeup apart from my foundation.
Where? In this?
Yes, of course. I couldn't leave the house without it. What does nobody else do that?
No, they don't. I bow down to you.
What do you need to borrow?
Okay, so my steps that I have left are eyeshadow,
Eyeshadow, okay.
highlighter,
Okay,
lips,
okay.
and possibly eyeliner.
So I've got eyeliner, collection 2000. I've got this highlighter, which is a
Got it.
Moa one, which is like a gold. It looks really
pretty.
intense, but actually when you put it on, it's not that intense. But you need
Oh,
a
look at
tiny,
that.
tiny
Oh.
bit. And it's just incredible.
Oh, the rings too. I'm
Oh
sorry.
my God.
What if I use this as my eyeshadow?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. That is a really good idea.
Do you have a mirror on you?
I do.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Really nice.
at least we have something on the eyes now.
Got
I
a
feel like
really
if you
great
go up
pigment.
in the crease a little, it almost looks like a defining shade. Look at that.
I literally live on this stuff. I couldn't leave the house without it. I put it all over my face,
So,
on my cheeks, my tip of my nose, my chin, and my
and for you,
forehead.
it just glistens.
Yeah, right.
Oh.
I couldn't live without
So
it.
where does that love for makeup come from?
My mum used to spend hours,
Uh-huh.
hours, and basically I was from Essex. So
Yeah.
I used to have to travel.
You're an Essex girl? The glam ones.
So I used to have to travel like 80 miles to London to get
Right.
my foundation because they didn't sell my colour in Essex
Which
when
is
I was growing up.
ridiculous.
So then it kind of became quite a fascination for me to get the right colours and get the right tones and get the right
Started
shades.
becoming like a journey almost.
right.
It's pretty red. It almost looks like I have like a full blown out
Yeah.
crease
Do
going
you want
on.
to keep it?
No.
Yeah. I've
No.
got one at home. You can keep that one. Yeah, it's by Mua. It's amazing.
Undress your skin. Well, I'm
Yeah,
ready
yeah.
to undress everything
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now. She's like, yeah. Oh my God, I'm
Thank
obsessed
you.
with you.
Thank you.
Thank
It's been
you
a pleasure
so
meeting
much.
you.
Thank you for
Good luck with
saving my day.
everything.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Lips highlight. Lips highlight. Ma'am, can I ask you something? Don't ignore me with your beautiful red lips. Hi, can I ask you something? Are you carrying any lipstick on you? No? This feels like getting rejected for a job 17 times. Can I ask you something? Are you carrying any lipstick on you?
Yeah.
Can I borrow your lipstick? I'm gonna clean it and wear it.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah? So I'm gonna clean it off, okay? Oh my God, look at that. Oh yes, okay. Are you wearing that right now?
Yeah.
Do you have highlighter on you? Oh, our final step is highlighter. Sun's going down. I feel like I need to find highlighter to light up London. That sounded so wrong. You get what I'm saying? I'm not made for this shit. Are you carrying highlighter? No. No. Are you carrying anything light, reflective, and fun? We're actually having to leave for our flight in like 2 hours. So my game plan right now is to grab a little bit of food at my favorite place. Hopefully, maybe in the restaurant there will be highlighter. If not, I will use the grease of my chicken highlighter. Anyone? Hi, are you carrying any highlighter on you?
I'm not. No,
You're not.
sorry.
Thank you. I just want highlighter. Hi. Hi. Good. How are you? Do you have a table for 3? Also, is there anyone working today that has a highlighter with them? Yeah.
We're at one of my favorite places to eat here in London. It's called Itchy Buns, and I just asked at the front desk. Is it called the front desk? I don't even know. It's like, is this a hotel? I have just accepted the fact that I'll be Matt. If anyone in the future does this and runs into me, I got you. I got you. Linda, get this. Wait, can you repeat that for me? So, one of your colleagues told you that I'm looking for a highlighter, and you are rescuing me?
I brought you 2 highlighters. There you go.
So it's called My Secret Face Illuminator Powder Princess Dream.
Yes.
Oh my god, no, I'm going straight in. I don't. Oh. You're a highlight angel sent from above.
No problem, Nikki.
Thank you.
All right, so we're back in Holland. I'm back at home, and we're now in the midst of Winter Wonder Week. And even though this video was pre-recorded, I still wanted to come back here and share a couple of thoughts. I think going into this challenge, I thought that a lot of people were gonna have a lot of base products and eye products with them. So I was like, oh, of course people are gonna have concealer with them. They're gonna have a touch of powder with them. But I also really expected a little bit of eyeshadow, a little liner, a little mascara. I might be wrong here, but I feel like a lot of people here in Holland tend to carry like at least like a little eyeliner and a little mascara. Whereas in London, I feel like a lot of people were bringing out the base products and that's it. Also, the biggest shock I feel like is that nobody had any highlighter with them. What stuck with me the most, however, is how loving and giving people are. You know, everybody was willing to help and everyone wanted to make this a success. And it totally warmed my heart because I felt like, you know, going in this, I was a little bit nervous to, you know, speak up to people because, you know, I don't want to, you know, the fact that so many people wanted to help me, it totally warmed my heart. So that's it. That was my entire journey towards doing a full face using borrowed products from the streets of London. I hope you enjoyed. What do you think? Maybe I should do this with more cities. If you think I should, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and maybe your city is next. And without any further ado, let's go on to today's Dutch word of the day. Yesterday's Dutch word of the day, of course, was for cloud, which was wolk. And RatLover23 on Instagram shared an amazing video response.
When you're looking at the window and then all you can see. Wolk! Look at all of those wolks!
And for today's Dutch word of the day, I wanted to teach you a classic Christmas word. Okay, so we've learned what Santa is. Santa is Kerstman. But of course, when Santa is around, you also have a Christmas tree, probably, in your house. So today's Dutch word of the day is for Christmas tree. Kerstboom. 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 So the beginning portion is the same as Santa, Kerstman, but then we have a tree, boom. It's like boom, but boom. As always, if you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day, or leave a video response on Instagram under the hashtag Dutch word of the day, and you might see your face pop up in tomorrow's video. As for today's Winter Wonder winner, today's giveaway, I wanted to give away a hefty amount of makeup gift cardiness. 2 lucky winners will win a $500 makeup gift card. And all you have to do to enter this giveaway is, of course, be subscribed to my channel. You have to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And this comment can be about anything. That's it, guys. That concludes day 4 of a Winter Wonder Week. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. We've traveled to a snow world, and today we traveled to London, and who knows what tomorrow's video might bring. So thank you so much for watching again, and hopefully I will see you then. Bye, guys.